Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to talk about the first aquaponics system that I built with my coordinator as part of my master thesis all the way back in 2014. This was an indoor media bed system adapted from the IBC Ponics design. It ran a flood and drain cycle and used light expanded clay aggregate and lava gravel as the media. The resulting water-filled fish tank volume was of 1,150 liters and the grow bed volume was 627 liters. More construction details can be found in the thesis, which I've put a link for in the video description below. The building itself was relatively easy, though it required the use of some strong power tools. Here you can see the final build while cycling prior to adding fish or plants. We also added a special return pipe with holes for extra aeration, which in retrospect may have caused some issues with our siphon system. The plants we chose to add would be lettuce, cucumber, and tomato, though we would also add some temporary seedlings as it was the warmest system since it was indoors using residual heat from a boiler room. We would then add 5 koi fish and 20 goldfish when the system had cycled. Overall, the system was mildly productive and we were able to harvest some of the fruiting plants as well as lettuce. There were some visible deficiencies in the leaves, especially for the cucumber plant, but I would say that the biggest issue was the irregular siphon operation, where it would either struggle to start the draining, or once started, it would never stop and get stuck there. Overall, it was a pretty good learning experience, and now I will share some of the data that I collected from its operation. Starting with the temperature, you can see how the temperature increased as we got closer and closer to summer. The pH, on the other hand, slightly declined over time due to the nitrification process. As far as the ammonia goes and the ammonium, we had a peak in the beginning while the cycling was happening, and then the values remained low throughout the operation of the system. The same was said of the nitrite, although there was a slight increase towards the end. The nitrate, on the other hand, kept increasing throughout the operation, which indicates probably that we didn't have enough plants absorbing the nitrate. At some point during the thesis, we decided to do a more intense sampling procedure where we would sample 4 days straight after an addition of the nutrient source, in this case fish feed. As you can see, after the addition of the fish feed, there was not any significant increase or decrease in the total ammonia nitrogen. The same can be said for nitrite, which means the nitrification process was operating quite well, and the same was also observed in the nitrate. As far as phosphate, the levels also didn't significantly increase, and the oxygen in the system remained pretty much close to saturation. So this was the first aquaponic system that I built. I hope this was somewhat informative, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in the next video.